welcome. Starting the video with myself. My name is Syed shuraim. I am studying 3rd grade. My school name is Jeffries International Public School. Today's my project is the water cycle. So let's see how I explain the water cycle. The sun heats up the water from the oceans, lakes and rivers, and the water changes into water vapor by the process of evaporation. As the water vapor rising up to the air, it starts cooling down and form tiny water droplets. These water droplets came together to form a cloud. This process is called condensation. When the clouds start getting heavy and cannot hold the water droplets anymore, they fall back to the earth in the form of rain. This process is called precipitation. Some of the water that falls on the earth seeps into the ground. This water is available as in the form of groundwater flow. The remaining water falls back into oceans, rivers and seas. This process is called collection. Again, the sun starts heating up the water. This circulation of water is called the water cycle. Do like my video, like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Bye. Take care.